Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. The people of Nigeria are suffering. There is hardship in the land. The masses are really hungry and angry. And as usual, the government of the day is not perturbed. They are not worried. They are not really concerned about the plight of the people. Just so you know, earlier today in a state, in one state of the north, a Dangote trailer, conveying goods, I think a floor or something like that, was stopped by angry and hungry youths, children, mothers, fathers, thinking it's a palliative. And guess what? Just watch the video and see by yourself that Nigerians are really hungry and angry. Is this the way to go when all these things stop? Just watch the video. Just watch the video.
Kun ga yadda ake ta kwasan kayan nan, ake ta kokowa maza da mata. Gahi nan kowa gudu yake da kaya yadda yake so. Kun gani? Kun ga yadda abun yake? Kun gani? Kun gani?
Ka tashi aiki in dai saka ka tashi aiki.
I guess you have seen the video. It's not easy. I don't know why the government will making some policies that will be hardening the country and making people to be suffering the more. I don't know, but really I don't know. But everywhere it is, I just wish that we can come out of this, and the earlier we do, the better for us as a nation. And just so you know, amidst all these times of hardship, the children of the president are there begging the citizens to still have hope that their father will turn the fortunes of Nigeria, the fortunes of Nigerian to a better path. Now we should have hope that the country that is hard now, let that be country of milk and honey. So we should have hope. So I don't know what you think about their plea. Let me hear what you need to say in the comment section. If we are to still keep hope high on the administration of their father, or I don't know. I'm just here to share my humble opinion, but let me hear what you need to say in the comment section. Thank you, and I hope you have indeed subscribed and liked my video, my channel, and click the notification bell so I can always be notified anytime I post something. Thank you, and peace out.